Natural home remedies for smooth and glossy hair. Every lady is fine with having smooth hair. Short or lengthy, curly, or straight shiny hair, alHow provides a good impression. The surface of healthier hair contains natural oil to help keep it moist and glossy. If this layer is broken, hair will appear dull, unhealthy, and dry. A few of the factors that lead to dull hair are illness, dietary deficiencies, utilization of harsh proper hair care products, not using a good conditioner, over contact with sun, frequent utilization of hair dyes, age, excessive stress, high mineral content within the water, swimming pool water in pools, and employ of heating tools. Sofeetand glossy hair takes a little bit of effort. Hairdressing is the only method for both women and men to get shiny, smooth hair. The majority of us use numerous branded conditioners, shampoos, and serums to include an attractive shine to the hair. Coconut oil. Apply warm coconut oil in your hair, in the root towards the ends. Massage for couple of minutes after wrap hair inside a shower cap or towel not less than half an hour. Rinse hair with water, then shampoo, and condition like normal. An alternative choice would be to give a couple of curry leaves to 2 teaspoons coconut oil. Heat it until warm. When cool, massage the oil lightly to the hair and scalp. Cover having a warm towel for half an hour after wash having a mild shampoo. Apple cider vinegar. Combine together equal quantity of ACV and water. After shampooing, pour the combine to your hair and massage it on your scalp. Allow it to take a couple of minutes before rinsing completely with cold water. Alternatively, combine 2 teaspoons ACV and also the juice of 1 lemon in a single cup water. Make use of this mixture like a final hair rinse after shampooing. Eggs. Combine 1 egg white and something teaspoon all of essential olive oil and honey until you receive a smooth paste. Apply this paste on moist remaining hair head. Cover your head having a shower cap for around half an hour. Then wash hair having a mild shampoo and cool water. Beat 2 eggs until you have a foamy texture. Add 2 teaspoons almond oil and 1/2 cup of yogurt. Apply this combine in your remaining hair head. Cover having a shower cap for half an hour after shampoo hair with cool water.